What's in that box? What's that?
A carrot.
Cinderella's carriage?
Mm-hmm. Look at.
Your dad has them.
Right here.
The scissors.
And this is the Little Mermaid carrot.
Pretty.
The hours of fun and play.
And this is
Prince Charming? That's Ariel's prince. Eric. That Prince Charming, that's his name. His Prince Eric.
What's that big pink thing, Alex?
I don't have the Eric.
It's the one you just put over there on Ariel's carriage. Yep.
Alex, what's that pink chair in there? Careful the train, baby.
And this is Beauty and the Beast. I don't know this guy.
He's the Beast.
He's the Beast.
Show it to the camera, baby. Okay, down.
Here. Yeah! Yes! Come on.
What is it?
It's a Bobby here.
It's a chair for your doll, so you can sit there and do her hair.
Uh-huh.
Pretty.
And look at it. Clips. Western clips. And gray things. And these things. And a blue lighted thing.
Awesome.
Yeah.